Hello and welcome to Defense India podcast. And before we start this video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. 2 years after BrahMos missile was accidentally launched by India towards Pakistan, escalating the tension between the two neighboring countries, the Indian Airforce has now cleared the air on the incident that happened in March of 2022. In a reply submitted to the Delhi High Court, the IAF has said that the missile's combat connectors remained connected to the junction box, which led to the accidental firing of the missile. The IAF shared findings from March 2022 Court of Inquiry, which investigated the mishap. In its reply to the Delhi High Court, the Indian Air Force said that the convoy commander of a road convoy, which was to move the location as part of the inspection, failed to ensure safe transit of the convoy by not ensuring disconnection of combat connectors of all missiles loaded on the mobile autonomous launcher before the movement. The IAF further added that the incident caused 25 crore worth of loss to the exchequer because of the accidental firing of the BrahMos missile, adding that the Indian Air Force's reputation was also damaged due to the incident. The force also described the incident as one which had the effect of affecting the relations between India and Pakistan. The Court of Inquiry or COI set up by the Indian Air Force days after the mishap had examined as many as 16 witnesses and found that Group Captain Saurabh Gupta, Squadron Leader Pranjal Singh and Wing Commander Abhinav Sharma, all members of the combat team, were responsible for various acts of omission and commission leading to the firing of the missile.